You can't go past a wash buoy. They are absolutely brilliant. Like, I'll grout this whole bathroom and my hands will hardly get wet. Back in the day, not that I like to think too much about back in the day, bugger that, we're 2023, but when I was a young fella it was a sponge and a bucket of water. Now it's a wash buoy, way more advanced. Rub your lines, concentrate on your lines, that they're nice and even. Grouting is easy if you have your grout at the right texture, then your lines won't sink. I'll be able to do this whole bathroom without even changing my water. It's brilliant. There's another little secret too. This sponge, it's getting nearly to the end of its time, but it's super worn in, and it always helps when a sponge is worn in. It sounds stupid, but I'm not on anything. It sounds stupid, but when you've got a sponge that's worn in, DIYs, you're laughing. And there you go. There's another lovely wall.
Audio Jungle.